Hello and welcome to the Programming in C++ series. This video we're going to be doing Chapter 3 Input and Output Exercises. So before we do, go ahead and smash the like button. When you're done, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Alright, so our first, or the only video in this, or the only exercise in this video is going to be the Programming in C++ Programming Exercise 3-12. And in this exercise, we have two cars, A and B, leaving an intersection at the same time. Car A travels west at an average speed of X miles per hour, and car B travels south at an average speed of Y miles per hour. Write a program that prompts the user to enter the average speed of both cars, the elapsed time in hours and minutes separated by a space. For 2 hours and 30 minutes, 2:30 would be entered. To space 30. The program then outputs the shortest distance between the cars. Because your answer should be in decimal format with a precision to at least 2 decimal places, be careful when performing mathematical operations on different data types. It might give you unexpected results. Alright, so we'll be on the lookout for that. So let's look into our code. Alright, this is what we'll start with. Before we start, let's check this out real quick. Alright, so let's go ahead with our include statements. Do this time. So now 2. So first one we're going to do IOMAP or IOManip. And then we'll also do math-h again. Math.h. Alright, we have no name constant this time, so let's go down to our cosmetic area. Get this set up to get started. So we got that ready, so we'll declare our variables. And we'll start off by doing our doubles. So we have average speed car A. And we have average speed car B. Let's see. So then we got two integers, hours, minutes, and let's do another doubles. We have two more doubles. Elapsed time and shortest distance. Our semicolon, so that should clear up. It did. So now let's do our set precision. Our first cout. We'll call this one enter average speed of car 1. First car. Do that. The first car. You can notice the colors as you're doing this. If something looks off or it still looks white when you're doing something quotes, then for that case I forgot the quotes. first car, and let's do miles per hour. And let's give that space. And we'll use semicolon. And let's do miles per hour. Miles per hour. Average car speed A. Speed car A. Semicolon. Alright, so we got that. And we're going to copy and paste these. So we got a couple more of these to do. And we can just fill them in because they're very similar, as you can see. Enter average speed of the first car. I'm just checking spelling on the first one before I copy and paste it. Save myself some time for correcting errors. Alright. Do that again. This time we'll be the second car. And this will be car B. And let's do it again. Enter the elapsed travel time in hours and minutes. Parentheses here, and that's what we'll go with. And then we'll end this line, and then we'll let's take this out. Open, double line that. And let's go with for 2 hours and 30 minutes. And 30 minutes. And enter 2 space 30. 30, and then let's go ahead and there we go. So cover both of those. Let's semicolon that. Alright. Now for cancel in, let's change this to hours and minutes. Minutes. And in line, that's correct. So let's go down to our next. Let's do some math. Elapsed time equals hours plus minutes. And divide that by 60.0. Hours is 0. Hours is HRS. Okay. And the shortest distance equals the square root PW average speed car A times elapsed time. W. Average speed car B times elapsed time. Times 2. And let's semicolon it. Comma there. And semicolon. Alright. Now let's go final line, space, C out. George, this is where the car is. Distance between cars is shortest distance, and let's go mile, and use mile distance, space mile, and use the option of S, period, and no space there. That's enough for that one. In line, and there we have it. Alright, let's take a quick look at our code from top to bottom right after this. Alright, so up top.
Hi there. It's great to talk to you.
So we start with our include statements. We added our IO manip and our math H. No name constants, as I mentioned. Then we went to declare our variables. The first two doubles, average speed car A, average speed car B. Then our integers, hours and minutes. And then the next two doubles, elapsed time and shortest distance. Then we did our precision, set precision. Then enter average speed of the first car in miles per hour, which is average speed car A. Enter average speed of second car in miles per hour, average speed car B. Then we want to enter the elapsed time, or the elapsed travel time in hours and minutes. And for 2 hours and 30 minutes, enter 2 space 30. And that's hours and minutes, our two variables used. And then elapsed time equals hours plus minutes divided by 60. Shortest distance equals square root POW average speed A times elapsed time, comma 2, plus power POW average speed car B times elapsed time, comma, times 2. So where's that 2 wiggly line? I don't know. We'll get back to that if that causes us an issue. Actually, I know let's do this. This was not times 2. And that cleared it up. Alright, so then see out the shortest distance between the cars is. And we got our shortest distance variable. So a space right there. Oops. Space right there. And then quote space mile S parentheses and period and no space quote, and then we end the line. So that is it. Looks good. Let's go ahead and actually let's bring this up one. Let's go ahead and end or run our code, see what we get. And while that's running, let's run it now. Enter average speed of first car in miles per hour. Let's go 88, 85. Enter the elapsed time in hours for 2 hours. Let's go 2 hours, 15 minutes. Shortest distance between the cars is 275.28 miles. Good gracious. Oh, they're going in opposite directions, so that makes sense. Alright, So let's go ahead and calculate that, and we'll go back to the code in case you are still working with that. And we'll shorten this up. So you see the whole, I still can't see the whole lines. It's a little bit big so you can see it at the very least parts of the time. Alright, at top, let's look at line 2 where we started, all the way down to line 20. And if you're still working on those, go ahead and pause. I'm going to scroll down to the rest of the code. And there you go. And if you need to see the end of the line for line 31 and 33, leave it at that. If you're still working on that line 31 and 33, go ahead and pause. So I'll show you the rest of it right there. Alright, and if you still need more time, go ahead and pause it, as we're going to see that we got our 100% and we got our green check. So if you got the same thing, go ahead and submit it. If not, continue to work at the code as such. And bring it back up. Alright, so thanks for viewing this video. Once again, please smash the like button and leave a comment, as well as subscribe to the channel. And as I stated before, if you're unable to do that, make sure you're logged in. If you do not yet have a login, take the time to do so. It takes less than a minute and it is free. And that way you can communicate with YouTubers. You can easier navigate throughout YouTube, and when you subscribe, you'll get notified when a new video is posted. So if you're looking around waiting for the next one, you'll know that it's been posted and you'll be able to click right on it. Alright, so thanks for joining again. Take care, have a wonderful day, and we'll see you on the next one.